When dealing with mid-surface geometry, there may be a gap between surfaces which can be closed simply by replacing an edge of one surface with the edge of another surface. In other instances, surfaces at an intersection of multiple surfaces may not be aligned with each other as expected. To improve the geometry cleanup workflow when using Simcenter FEMAP, the edge replace operation was added to the meshing toolbox for version 2406. When using edge replace, simply click on one edge, then click on the edge of another surface, and the geometry will be updated as needed, even if the geometry has already been non-manifold added together. Typically, a full replacement of the original edge with the other selected edge is desired, but this is not always the case. Thus, there are two additional options: partial, which projects the endpoints of the selected edges to the closest location on the other edge, updating the mesh automatically, and edge aligned, which uses the edges which share endpoints with the selected edge to align the projection of the endpoints to the other edge.